Alright everybody, Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and I left my knife on the last job site, so I'm going to show you how to cut and burn a carpet seam using only a utility blade instead of a carpet knife. Now I'm acting like I'm doing it for you DIY types, but the reality is I was just careless and forgot my blade. So this is going to be a freestyle as well. I'm going to show you that you can do freestyle seams with a utility knife. As always, get a nice sharp blade, and this is a closet, so we're good to go here. Cut around the bifold tab at the bottom. And I'm going to fold this back. I'm just going to throw a nice clean edge on this. Alright, cool. We got our fresh edge. Cut this side so it flops down into it. Cut a relief cut right next to that bifold tab. So we're going to cut right around that and have our seam go right from the tab over. Alright, now here's where we do the classic move. Cut this down a little more. Now the side that we just put the fresh cut on, we're going to overlap that from the bottom. Take our knife with a fresh blade and poke a couple holes in this here to mark our seam line. Put a fresh edge on the blade. I'll pull this side back, and all the little markings we made on this, we're just going to trace those dots now. And actually, I'll do a follow-up video sharing how to do this using a straight edge. If you don't have a steady hand, you're new to the game, or just burning your first few seams, you might not want to freehand these. I don't know if I marked the beginning of this, so we're going to mark it again. There we go. Alrighty. In theory, our seam edge should line up just right, so we can go ahead and burn this bad boy together and make an invisible seam. Keep chipping away at this job and get paid. We're putting our seam tape under the seam now. We got our seam iron cooking up, ready to rock. Take that, place it right on the tape. Let's see if we can get a close up here without it blurring out on us. There we go. Give it about 8 to 10 seconds. I'm just going to slide it an iron's length forward. Make sure the backings are touching, and you don't want the fibers to drop down into the seam. And that's how you'll get a nice invisible seam. Good to go there. Slide this out. Boom, boom. Get down the glue. We are good to go. So, that was a freestyle using a utility knife only. I'm going to do a follow-up video showing how to do it with a straight edge. And be sure to hit the subscribe button, comment below with any questions about the flooring industry. I will create a video for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.